Hello and welcome to our latest breaking news. Bafana Bafana head coach Hugo Broos has confirmed that his tenure as Bafana Bafana coach is over, but he has not ruled out another role with the South African national team in the future. The 74-year-old is the longest-serving coach in Bafana Bafana history, having taken the role in June 2021. It had always been his intention to retire after the 2026 World Cup, but following Bafana Bafana's historic round of 32 qualification, there were mixed messages from the coach when asked about his future. He said that he would decide in the next coming weeks. And now, Hugo Broos has confirmed that his time as a coach is over, but he said that there's a possibility of him still working for SAFA in a different role. Here's what Hugo Broos said. Will I continue as a coach? After all, no. It is irreversible. If they need me for something else, perhaps scouting, that is something else. But football is no longer going to be a part of my life 24 hours a day. I have already had a conversation with the chairman of the South African Federation. He would like to keep me, but in a different role, as an advisor or something like that. I will return at the end of July to say a final farewell. I am curious to see what he will propose to me. My wife is happy that I'm quitting, but she already warned me. Just make sure you don't get in my way. I suppose I have to be in South Africa for a few weeks or every 2 months. Why not? Better that than being a nuisance at home because I have nothing to do. Those are the words of Hugo Broos. It is confirmed Hugo Broos is quitting Bafana Bafana. It means that SAFA will have to appoint a new head coach. Now let me hear your thoughts. Who do you think should be the next Bafana Bafana head coach now that Hugo Broos is leaving the squad? Do you think that Pitso should get the job, or do you have any coach in mind? Let me hear your thoughts down below in the comment section. And are you happy that Hugo Broos is leaving Bafana Bafana, or you wanted him to continue to lead Bafana Bafana at AFCON even though he might not go to the World Cup? Let me hear your thoughts down below in the comment section. And how do you rate Hugo Broos' stint with Bafana Bafana? Remember, when he first became the coach of Bafana Bafana, Bafana Bafana were a mess. They were unable to even qualify for some African Cup of Nations. But under his tenure, they've been able to qualify consistently and had become very competitive. And he led Bafana Bafana into the first World Cup in 16 years. So definitely I would say that he has been a very successful coach for Bafana Bafana. Probably in the top 3 best Bafana Bafana coach of all time. Now let me hear your thoughts down below in the comment section. That's the end of the news for today. See you next time.